Welcome back to the Car Collective, the home of future cars and honest automotive reviews. Today we're diving deep into the legendary 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300. And trust me, this SUV is not just an update, it's a statement. The Land Cruiser name has always meant one thing: unstoppable durability. From deserts in the Middle East to mountain trails and city streets, this SUV has built a reputation that very few vehicles in the world can match. And for 2026, Toyota has taken that legacy and refined it even further. Under the hood, the LC300 continues with its powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, replacing the old V8 but delivering even better performance. You're looking at around 409 horsepower and massive torque that kicks in low, giving this SUV incredible pulling power. Whether you're overtaking on the highway or crawling over rocks, the response feels strong and confident. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, making the drive feel both powerful and refined at the same time. But let's be honest, nobody buys a Land Cruiser just for straight-line speed. This is about capability. The 2026 LC300 sits on Toyota's TNGA platform, which makes it lighter yet stronger. That means better handling, improved fuel efficiency, and even more durability. With advanced four-wheel drive, multi-terrain select, crawl control, locking, differentials, and improved suspension tuning, this SUV is basically telling rough terrain, "Is that all you've got?" Now step inside and you'll see how far the Land Cruiser has evolved. The cabin feels premium, solid, and modern. High-quality leather, soft-touch materials, a large infotainment display, digital driver cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everything you expect in a luxury SUV is here. The seats are wide and extremely comfortable, perfect for long road trips. And yes, this is still a proper three-row SUV, so family practicality is not compromised at all. Safety is another area where the LC300 shines. Toyota Safety Sense comes packed with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and more. So while this SUV can climb mountains, it also protects you during everyday city driving. Design-wise, the 2026 model looks bold and muscular. The massive front grille, sharp LED headlights, aggressive bumper design, and strong body lines give it serious road presence. When this SUV pulls up, people notice. It carries that perfect balance between luxury and toughness. What makes the Land Cruiser LC300 special is its character. It's not trying to be flashy like some European rivals. It's not chasing trends, it's built to last decades. It's built for reliability. And that's why the Land Cruiser has one of the strongest resale values in the world. So who is this SUV for? It's for people who want power, space, comfort, and true off-road capability in one complete package. It's for families, adventurers, and anyone who wants a vehicle that will never back down from a challenge. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 proves that legends don't fade, they evolve. And honestly, this might be one of the most complete full-size SUVs on the market right now. That's it for today's review on the Car Collective. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the Car Collective, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest future car reviews. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you pick the Land Cruiser LC300 over its rivals? I'll see you in the next one.